everyone, so let's talk about JAMB 2025. It's no longer news that the results for JAMB 2025 examinations are out. But what is even saddening, what is even more heartbreaking is that despite the fact that this exam, I believe before now it's been like 7 a.m. that it starts, but this year, some of my students, some of my friends went to write this exam at about 6:30 a.m. In fact, some people had to sleep over at the city of somewhere very close to their center just so they can be able to meet up with 6:30 a.m. Let's not talk about the modalities that went down during the planning. I mean, I had the JAMB has given an ultimatum of 92 hours or so to parents or people who have evidence to prove that people were registered to places they didn't choose, something like that. So they should come up with evidence to prove that, to support that. But what I'm here to talk about really is the exam, the result. Jesus Christ. So from what we have, take a look at this statistical analysis. How do you explain that majority of the candidate that sat for this examination didn't even get to 200? How? How? You're seeing that, right? How? I mean, 300 and above, you have not up to 1% of the entire candidate population got 300 and above. That's worse than last year, right? That's worse than last year. So what do we call this? And who is to be blamed for this? Is it that our students were not prepared well enough? Is it that the candidates weren't ready for the examinations? Or that something went wrong with the examination itself? Because how do you explain this? How? Meanwhile, have you checked your results? Are yours out to? I hope you know how to check your results. If you wrote JAMB examination 2025, have you checked? Have you seen your result? Can we please talk about these things? Let's talk about them because I don't understand what's going on. I'm a teacher. I'm an adult in Nigeria. I am very concerned because I need to know exactly where the Igbos will say, exactly what went wrong. Understand? Because sincerely, from what we saw last year, this is worse.